ever pondered on which animals have the shortest lifespan? It's a fascinating topic, isn't it? The circle of life spins at different speeds for different species. Some animals, like tortoises and parrots, can outlive humans, while others have lifetimes that can be measured in mere days. Today, we're going to embark on a journey into the world of quick-lived creatures. We'll be exploring the realm of fleeting lifetimes, where every moment truly counts. These animals don't have decades to achieve their life's goals. Instead, they only have a few days, weeks, or months to accomplish their missions of survival, reproduction, and leaving a legacy for the next generation. The lifespans of animals are as diverse as the animals themselves. Some have evolved to live long, slow lives, while others have adapted to a life that's over in the blink of an eye. The variety is astonishing, from the ancient sea turtles that can live for over a century, to the ephemeral mayflies whose adult lives last only a single day. But today, we're not focusing on the longevity champions of the animal kingdom. No, we're going to flip the script and count down the top 10 animals with the shortest lifespans. We'll explore a world where every second is precious, and life is lived at a breakneck pace. These creatures, despite their brief existence, play significant roles in their ecosystems. They might pollinate flowers, serve as food for other creatures, or help control pest populations. Each one, in its own way, contributes to the delicate balance of life on our planet. So, without further ado, let's start our countdown. And remember, each creature on this list has a lifespan that's shorter than the time it takes to watch a full season of your favorite TV show. It's a stark reminder of how varied, beautiful, and sometimes brutal the natural world can be. Let's dive into our countdown, starting with number 10, the guinea pig. This little rodent might be a beloved pet to many, but did you know its lifespan is surprisingly short? Let's find out more about it in the next scene. Starting our countdown, we have the guinea pig, living for about 4 to 8 years. Known for their gentle nature, these delightful rodents are a popular choice as pets. Despite their name, they're not from Guinea, nor are they pigs. They're native to the Andean region of South America, and they don't live in the wild. Their lifespan is shorter than ours, but their years are filled with munching on veggies, socializing, and of course being adorable. Next up, the hamster, with an average lifespan of 2 to 3 years. These small, nocturnal rodents are infamous for their food-storing cheeks, which can stretch to hold almost half their body weight in food. Their short lifespan might seem surprising, especially given their popularity as pets. However, in the wild, these little creatures face a host of predators and harsh climates, which might explain their fleeting existence. Taking the third spot, we have the rat, living for about 2 to 3 years. Rats are larger than mice and can be found in both urban and rural areas. They're intelligent and adaptable, often considered one of the world's most successful species. But despite their cunning, they face numerous threats, such as predators, disease, and habitat loss, contributing to their short lives. Finally, in the rodent category, we have the house mouse, with a lifespan of 1 to 2 years. Despite their small size, these rodents have a big impact. They can be found in homes and businesses, often viewed as pests. They're known carriers of diseases and can cause significant property damage. In the wild, they face a constant threat from predators, which might explain their relatively short lifespan. These are just a few examples of the fascinating rodents that share our world. They might not live as long as us, but they certainly make the most of their time, whether it's storing food, navigating mazes, or just being cute and cuddly. From the rodents, we move to the world of insects. Entering the insect realm, we have the honeybee, living for 6 months to a year. These buzzing little workers are the unsung heroes of our ecosystem, buzzing from flower to flower, playing a crucial role in pollination. They produce honey, a sweet treat that has been enjoyed by humans for thousands of years. Their short lifespan is due to their relentless work and the protective role they play in their colonies. Next up, we have termites, living anywhere from 6 months to 2 years. Known as the architects of the insect world, termites build intricate mounds and tunnels. They feed on wood and other plant material, making them a notorious pest in human habitats. Their short lifespan is due to their low resistance to environmental changes and predators. Moving along, we meet the midge, living for about 4 to 5 days. These tiny flies may not be a nuisance to humans, but they play a significant role in the ecosystem, serving as a food source for various animals. Their short lifespan can be attributed to their size, making them an easy target for predators. Next, the stonefly, with a lifespan of 3 to 4 days. These insects are similar to their mayfly cousins, spending most of their lives in the water before emerging as adults. They feed on leaves and other organic matter, and their short lifespan is due to their lack of a digestive system, meaning they can't absorb nutrients. Following the stonefly, we have the caddisfly, living for about 2 to 3 days. Much like the stonefly, these insects spend most of their lives underwater as larvae. They have mouths but no digestive system. This means they can eat but can't absorb nutrients, leading to their short lifespan. Finally, we come to the mayfly, with the shortest lifespan of all, just about 24 hours. They spend most of their lives as nymphs in the water, emerging as adults to mate and lay eggs. Interestingly, adult mayflies do not have mouths and cannot eat, relying on the energy they stored up as nymphs. That concludes our countdown, but what can we learn from these short-lived creatures? From the guinea pig to the mayfly, these animals live fast and die young. As we've journeyed through the animal kingdom, we've met creatures with lifespans ranging from a fleeting 24 hours to a relatively lengthy 8 years. Despite their brevity, these lives are packed full of purpose and activity, each species playing its unique role in the great tapestry of life. Consider the mayfly, a creature whose adult life is a mere day. In this short span it mates, lays eggs, and concludes its life cycle. Its ephemeral existence, however, is far from futile. As nymphs, they play a crucial role in aquatic ecosystems, serving as an essential food source for fish and other aquatic creatures. Their brief adult life, characterized by a flurry of mating and egg-laying, ensures the next generation's survival, thus perpetuating the circle of life. On the other end of our spectrum, we have the guinea pig, a cherished pet worldwide. With a lifespan extending up to 8 years, they may seem like Methuselahs compared to a mayfly. Yet, in the grand scheme of the animal kingdom, their lives are still relatively brief. But oh, how they fill those years with joy. Their gentle nature and sociability make them ideal companions, teaching us about care, companionship, and the simple pleasures of life. Other creatures we've met along the way, the caddisfly, stonefly, midge, termite, honeybee, house mouse, rat, and hamster, each with their unique lifespans and roles, remind us of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. They may live for days, months, or a few short years, but each contributes in its unique way to the intricate, interconnected web of life. These short-lived creatures, each in their unique ways, enrich our world and our lives. They remind us of the fleeting nature of existence and the importance of making each moment count. They teach us to adapt, survive, and thrive no matter the circumstances. So the next time you see a mayfly or a guinea pig, remember, they're living their life in the fast lane. Embarking on a journey through the lives of some of the shortest-lived creatures on our planet brings forth fascinating insights. Let's start with the insects. The mayfly, for instance, lives for only about 24 hours, spending most of its life as nymphs in the water, and then emerging as adults to mate and lay eggs. The caddisfly and stonefly follow close behind, living for about 3 days and 4 days respectively, their existence made lengthier by a prolonged larval stage. In contrast, midges manage to stretch their lifespan to about 5 days and are commonly observable in swarms. Having explored the insect world, we turn to species with slightly longer lives yet still fleeting compared to ours. The termite and honeybee are examples, each with a lifespan ranging from 6 months to a year or two. Termites, known for their infamous ability to damage wood, play a vital yet often overlooked role in our ecosystems. Honeybees, on the other hand, are the unsung heroes acting as key pollinators, contributing significantly to plant and biodiversity. Next, we delve into the realm of rodents. The house mouse, with a lifespan of 1-2 years, often gives us trouble as common pests. Rats, living for about 2-3 years, are notorious for their ability to carry diseases. Hamsters, however, living the same 2-3 years, are cherished as popular pets, bringing joy to many households. And the guinea pigs, with their gentle nature and lifespan ranging from 4-8 years, also make endearing companions. These creatures, whether they're considered pests, pets, or just part of the natural environment, each play their part in the intricate web of life. Their diverse lifespans serve as a reminder of the incredible biodiversity that exists on our planet, and the complex ecosystems that hinge on each species, no matter how short-lived. It's much more than an academic exercise. It's about understanding the delicate balance of nature and appreciating the importance of each creature in maintaining this balance. From the 24-hour mayfly to the 8-year guinea pig, every creature has a unique role and story. This understanding not only enriches our knowledge about life but also inspires us to continue exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom. In conclusion, let's reflect on lessons these creatures impart. Life is fleeting, but every moment is essential and brimming with potential. It's the length of our lives, but the quality of our living that truly matters. So let's make every moment count, just like these amazing creatures do. And remember, life isn't about how long you live, but how you make use of the time you have. Let's continue exploring the wonders of the animal kingdom until we meet again.